In this video, we show you how to activate your Walmart MoneyCard easily. Follow our step-by-step guide to get your card up and running in no time. Step-by-step Walmart MoneyCard activation. Get your card ready. Have your 16-digit card number and security code, CVV, ready. Visit the activation website. Go to www.walmartmoneycard.com, activate. Enter card info, input your card number and CVV on the activation page. Provide personal information. Enter your name, address, and date of birth for verification. Create your PIN, set a 4-digit PIN for your account. Complete activation. Once activated, you'll receive a confirmation. Troubleshooting tips: error with card info? Double-check your card details. Activation problems? Try another browser or clear your cache. Contact support for issues. Call 1-877-937-4098 or visit the Walmart MoneyCard support page. Conclusion: activate your Walmart MoneyCard in minutes using this simple guide. For any issues, reach out to customer support.